Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Smart Life not working with Alexa, Relink account, skill sync and device discover. Fix 1. Relink your account. A broken token is the most common reason for disconnect. Open the Alexa app and go to devices. Then tap on your smart home skills. Then tap Smart Life and select Disable Skill. Now re-enable the skill and log in using your exact Smart Life credentials. And if you are experiencing errors trying to link in the mobile app, try completing the account linking process on your computer via the Amazon Alexa web console. Fix 2. Discover devices again. Tap on devices present in the bottom right corner of the Alexa app. In it, press the plus icon present in the top right and select Add Devices from there. Now choose Other and tap Discover Devices. Then wait for about 45 seconds for Alexa to populate your current smart life setup. Fix 3. Clear app and device cache. Unplug your Alexa enabled device, for example Echo speaker, from the wall, then wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Power cycle your router. Unplug your modem and router for 2 minutes to refresh local network connections. Fix 4. Check tap to run scenes. If it is just your Smart Life scenes, routines that are failing to trigger, Smart Life and Alexa may have lost communication regarding your customized automation. According to forum discussions, users often resolve this by simply going into the Alexa app and re-adding the Smart Life scenes to your Alexa routines after relinking the skill. Fix 5. Check for known server outages. Sometimes the issue originates on the back end. Check the Smart Life app itself. If your lights and plugs turn on and off perfectly fine in the Smart Life app but fail strictly on Alexa, it indicates a service communication problem. So inside the Smart Life app, tap Me, then go to FAQ and Feedback, then go to Report Issue to see if a ticket needs to be filed. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.